Today I will show you about drones. What are drones? Unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs), also known as drones, are aircraft either controlled by pilots from the ground or increasingly autonomously following a pre-programmed mission. While there are dozens of different types of drones, they basically fall into two categories: those that are used for reconnaissance and surveillance purposes, and those that are armed with missiles and bombs. Drones have literally taken off in the last few years. But when it comes to buying one, there's a lot to consider. First off, you have to decide what your primary needs are for it. Are you just starting out and looking for a beginner's model? Do you just want a cheap model to play around with? Or do you want to use it to take aerial pictures and video? To help you decide which drone might be best for you, read our topics below, and before you use it, be sure to read about the rules and regulations on the FAO website. Few drones. Best overall: DJI Mavic Pro. DJI's Mavic Pro can be summed up in 3 words: portable and powerful. Capable of collapsing down to as small as a bottle of water, DJI Mavic Pro is a fantastic choice for quadcopter fans. A new OC transmission system will offer up to 4.3 miles of range, 40 miles per hour speed, and a flight time around 27 minutes, thanks to a powerful battery. The lengthy range away from the base controller is aided by GPS and satellite to help maintain precise location control. Thanks to sensor redundancy, the inclusion of obstacle avoidance will help the Mavic Pro dodge anything that could knock it out of the sky. Visually, the 3.27 by 7.8 by 3.27 inch Mavic Pro looks and feels different from DJI's wildly popular existing quadcopter line and has more contour and angular shapes. It almost gives off the appeal of a stealth bomber rather than the stark white Phantom line. Shorter legs give the Mavic Pro the appearance of landing on its belly, and the rear arms pivot downward to tuck in the underside while the front arms fold inward toward the top of the main body. Recreating the camera in 3XS gimbal system allows DJI's designers to create such a backpack-friendly design. Set up as a snap-on after connecting to the remote control. You can add a smartphone to act as a screen. The compact remote is as well designed as the Mavic Pro itself, with 2 joysticks controlling height, direction and motion. One scroll wheel on the back adjusts the camera gimbal and the other is open to programming. The camera records 4K video at 30 fps or 1080p at 96 fps, the latter of which can live stream to Facebook, YouTube and Periscope at 30 fps. Additionally, you can capture stills with the 12-megapixel camera. Sign. To be continued in next few videos. If you like the information, like and share the video. Subscribe for getting information about different technology. I come live every Sunday and Thursday.